Hello and welcome to Metals of the Mud. Today we will be talking about magnesium. So here we have a block of magnesium, where this is an atom model of magnesium. And so for our model, we have modeled magnesium 24. We have 12 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And what we have in here is 12 protons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 neutrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And so if you are just using a model instead of a periodic table, to find the atomic number, you would count the electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Same with the protons, you would just count the protons to get 12. And then to find the electrons, you'd count the electrons to get 12. The other ways to find the amount of rings, you would just count. So you have 1 ring, 2, and then 3 to find the like type of metal, non-metal, semi-metal, and also to find the state at room temperature, and to find the family or group, you just count the valence electrons. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But that's not it because it's the lowest number. So it'd be 2 because you have 2, and it's the lowest number out of all the rings. So in here we have 2 in the first ring, 8 in the second, and 2 in the third. So you take the first or the third. And then to use the periodic table for magnesium, you will go and to find the group or family, you can use kind of the top. So throughout here, you have the transition metals. And then here we have the alkali metals, the alkali earth metals, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, halogen, and then the inert gases. And so to find the atomic number, you just can count, but it also has it in here, so 12 for magnesium. To find the protons and electrons, it's the same number. And to find the state at room temperature and what kind of like metal it is, semi-metal, metal, non-metal, inert gas. You just can use the key here. So we have solid, the color is black, liquid, the color is purple, gas, it's red, and then there's a not found in nature, which is clear. So magnesium is solid at room temperature. Over here we have it in colors. So we have semi-metals, metal, non-metal, and a inert gas. So magnesium is a metal. Now, since there are elements, you can have combination of elements. And to get that, you can have ionic bonding, covalent bonding, and metallic bonding. And first, we're going to talk about ionic bonding. So we have magnesium and oxygen. Magnesium has 2 valence electrons. Oxygen has 6. And magnesium gives oxygen its 2 valence electrons. And then you have +2 because it just gave away 2 negatives. And then you have -2 because it just received 2 negatives. This is the formula, MgO. And then That stands for magnesium oxide. And so now we will talk about covalent chlorides. Here we have a covalent bond. It is magnesium dichloride, di, which is 2, meaning we have 2 chlorines to even out our magnesium, because chlorine has 7 valence electrons and magnesium has 2, and so there'd be a leftover magnesium valence electron, and that's not possible. So we have 2 chlorines, and we have then it is equal. And so this is a formula down here, MgCl2. The 2 is the subscript, standing for 2 chlorines. Next, we will have metallic bonds. Now, this is a metallic bond. It's called the sea of electrons. It can only be bonded if it's the same element or same type of atom. It can conduct heat or electricity, ductile and malleable. Magnesium is not only found in the modern world, but it is also found in food, such as bananas and other food, and fish. It is the second most common element in the universe after hydrogen, and it is part of the human body, is a key component of the energy system of the human body, such as energy production, muscle and nerve function. Magnesium is used in fireworks and flares, so it is a very reactive metal to heat, and we will go test that out.